Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana is currently moving in a downtrend and has not yet been able to break above this descending trend line in white that we've coming down here. Currently trading at $178, quite volatile. You've got your ups and downs here, and there are two scenarios I want to talk about. Both, however, are going to end in this yellow target area here that I talked about before, between $55 and $130. With my personal ideal target level of $100, I think that is quite a strong one. It's a psychological one. It's also 0.618 fib level here at $100, or actually $99. So we are moving down here after the uptrend that came up in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern, an impulsive move to the upside. I think we've now turned around from this impulsive move up to a correction down. A correction consists of an ABC pattern based on the Elliott wave method. That ABC consists again of subwaves, and a wave A that we have seen here, or that we see here, consists of 5 waves again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Then the wave B consists of 3 waves, ABC, and the wave C consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. And it could be that we've now seen the completion of that wave A. So the wave A here, which was the low at just below $150, that wave A could be complete now with that wave 5 down here. The thing is, I don't know yet, nobody knows yet if that wave 5 is really complete. It could also be that the wave 5 will be down here, wave 4 will be here, and the wave 3 here. And the reason for that is that for that wave 4, the retracement is the retracement that we're currently doing. It's a perfect retracement for a wave 4, which makes me think this could really just be wave 4, which means that we see a wave 5 to the downside. Only after that we then see the wave B play out, and then the wave C, okay? And that wave 4 is currently retracing to the 0.382 fib level. That's a perfect Fibonacci retracement level for, for such a, basically a wave 4 retracement. And that 0.382 level is at $190. We came very, very close to it already. Did not touch it quite, but, just about. So, yeah, I think we could be just in that wave 4, after which we would then see the wave 5 a little bit lower than the wave 3. So we would need to come below $148. And that would then be the wave A, and then we would come up into a wave B target area, and then down here into a wave C. But it could also be that we've already seen the wave 4, that this is the wave 5, down here the low. This was then the wave A, and now we're coming up in the wave B. What we're doing here is then the wave B. That wave B, how far could that really retrace to? So again, we take the fib levels just the other way around, and we can see that we could retrace into this target. I put it blue because, maybe just to explain. So I've got here, this was the area that I showed you in the previous video. I did say for a wave 4, this would be the ideal retracement level, and you can see that we are reacting to it. We're definitely reacting to it, so that could really just be, all right, we just retraced for a wave 4 and we come down once more in a wave 5, okay? Unless you break above $190, this is the most likely scenario that we come down again. If we break above 190, I think then we are going to move into this target area here, which is sitting between the 0.5 fib level and the 0.786 fib level. I put it in blue basically as an alternative scenario, where we would now straight away move in that wave B, possibly to the 0.618 fib level here at 217. I think that would be ideal. Maybe only to 204 or 236. So somewhere between 204 and 236 we would land in that wave B before we then come down, ideally $200. That's what I would say, And in the end, it doesn't matter if we've seen the wave 4 already, or if that is the wave 4 here. Both scenarios would move to, into the same target areas, basically. Maybe with a slight shift, because if the wave A moves down together with the wave 5, then the wave B would move down a little bit as well. It's all based on fib levels. It's all based on retracement. You can see that here, if I move the wave A down here, I would need to pull the retracement down. That moves the target area a little bit, but it wouldn't impact it massively. And I think this is the pattern we're in. We are a little bit volatile, so we are moving up and down, but this was expected. I said before that we can't come down in a straight line. To be fair, at the moment, it's looking a little bit like a straight line, but it's still very volatile. So yeah, a wave B here to the upside, and then a wave C to the downside, a final sell-off would be expected. before we then turn around in this target area here and really get a very bullish 2022, I think. And that probably doesn't start in January, but I would expect a very, very bullish 2022, where we could reach levels of the 1.618 extension to 2.618 extension. So basically between 421 and 681. And let's just say we came down to $55 and moved all the way up to $680 next year. That would be more than a 10x, and I think that would be quite good. So, you know, it's a bit depressing at the moment generally, the whole crypto market. I understand that a lot of people are a bit annoyed, but it's just what it is. It belongs to the market. These phases belong to the market. You need to come down in order to come up again. We need to reset these indicators, you know, and then we can move to even higher levels. Also here on the weekly, you know, we can see that further price drops are actually expected. You can see it on the MACD very clearly. The weekly MACD just points to the downside, and we can't really see any slowdown. And you can see how high we still are. On the MACD, we had a bearish crossover. I think we're going to fall quite far. So yeah, a level of $100, maybe even $55 is not unrealistic, unfortunately, or fortunately, because I mean, 55 Solana would be amazing, you know. I don't think we would really hover around that area long. I think this would be a very quick, it could just be a wick touching that $55 level. But that's why I set buy orders on Discord for every channel member. If you're interested, join the channel membership, check it out, maybe only for a month if you're interested. And yeah, then I'm setting buy and sell orders there for certain cryptos, more longer term trades, you know, swing trades, nothing too short term, because at the moment with everything that's going on, also career wise, I just can't, it's just too much. So yeah, I set these, and that allows me to lean back and chill out, watch the charts, analyze and define good entry and exit points. I think that is quite good. And then limit orders, and they will be triggered automatically. It's a good way of doing it. Not forget to take profits along the way and buy low and sell high. That's how it should work, because if you don't never take profits, it's not great either. You know, you want to take some profits. But again, no financial advice, and I have a long-term hodl portfolio that I don't touch anyway, so I don't take any profits there at the moment. That's a really long-term portfolio, but in my trading portfolio, I use that to, you know, set some limit orders and so on at strategic prices. So yeah, hopefully you like the update about Solana. Yes, short-term bearish, but for next year, really, really bullish, like for the entire crypto market, really. So yeah, hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.